Hello again, this is Doug the 2-Minute Gardener. I'm going to talk about ornamental grasses. So last week I talked about real grass versus fake grass. Another option if you're looking for something really cool to put in your backyard or front yard are ornamental grasses. And these are my 5 favorite ornamental grasses. So let's get started. My first favorite, and this actually is my #1 favorite, is pink muhly. Now this one is called pink muhly because it has these wonderful seed efflorescences in the fall, so it really puts on a very colorful show in September, October. When it's football season, it's pink muhly time, and it's really kind of a nice plant because it's heat tolerant and it gives you that great burst of color. It's a tough little grass too. It gets about 2 feet tall. The seed efflorescences will get up to about 3 feet tall, but they're on the floppy side, and as with all grasses, these really look great if you put them someplace in a kind of a windy area. And in January, you just whack it down to about 6 inches to really make it nice and clean for the rest of the year. Next up is miscanthus. Now this is the biggest of the 5 grasses. There are about 20 different varieties of miscanthus available in America. So it's called silvergrass, Japanese grass, Chinese silvergrass. There's also variations on it. Variegated miscanthus, zebra miscanthus with dots and stripes. And so it's a kind of a really neat grass, again, about 4 feet tall, wonderful for areas where it's kind of windy. The third one is lomandra, also known as mat rush. Now this is kind of a nice deep green, dark and drought tolerant grass. It gets about 2 feet tall by 2 feet wide. Again, nice when you plant it in mass on borders. Really kind of has a nice fine feel to it. Now a new variety of it that I really like is this platinum lomandra. Now this looks almost silvery and white, and again looks great in kind of windy areas. Will get about 2 foot tall. Really nice when you complement it with some other darker colored plants. The fourth one is clumping blue fescue. Tight little guy, 1 foot tall by 1 foot wide. Again, nice in mass, very tough, drought tolerant, rabbit tolerant. And last but not least, we have the red fountain grass. This is the purple pennisetum. Now, pennisetums can be a little invasive, so you got to kind of be careful if you live in like Florida and areas where you can't deal with invasive products. But it really is beautiful in windy areas with those big seed efflorescences. Well, that's it. Those are my 5 ornamental grasses. I really love using them. Hey, make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to get more of my videos. This is Doug the 2-Minute Gardener saying thanks so much for watching.